What's going on, y'all? Shagasi Paris. I know it's been a minute since I've been posting, man, but if you haven't, man, every Saturday night I'm here live. Me and my guy Mike T, Squad Talk Podcast, man. Each week we got another special guest. Man, y'all need to tap in, man. Everybody coming dropping gems. Don't mind that background. I'm in the process of moving out of this room into my garage. And that's my wife's nail shop over there. So TikTok, man, everywhere on TikTok you seeing tie-dye sublimation shirts, man. So I'm gonna try that, but I'm gonna do mine with a twist. I'm gonna try the way they've been doing it with the sublimation tie-dye, but I'm gonna also use a super color stock transfer that heat transfer warehouse sent me. Man, if y'all want to check this out, man, y'all just stay tuned.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
All right, so I just got a cricket shirt, 95% polyester, and I'm gonna just throw it up there. Let's see. So I'm gonna just throw it up here randomly. Then I have just some kente cloth. I googled kente cloth. And I have my heat press open wide so it'll close, and we're gonna do the regular 400 for 60 seconds. Let's see what it comes out. Boom. There's that. So you can see how it's looking, but before I open it, I'm gonna just flip it over. And then when I was printing this out, I ran out of ink, so it printed out twice. Oh, I did not use paper, and because it's on my mind, I'm gonna use it now. I forgot to cover it before I pressed it. So again, we gonna cover it this time. Then I'm gonna go 400 for 60 more seconds on that side. Boom. So one thing good is it's tie-dye, so it don't matter. You ain't gotta be perfect, but you can see the color took really well. So now we're gonna unfold it. Could have did a little more. There's a shirt, and this is the stock super color transfer. I wish I'd have thought about leaving this less or having more white here, but like I say, man, it's my first time trying it. I just want to see how it would turn out. But it's a Juneteenth design. I'm gonna go 4 fingers down with it. Yeah, 4 fingers down just because it's smaller. I'm gonna use my paper to take my platen. Super color. This is my first time using super color, but it's 320 for 15 seconds. I have mine a little higher just because I'm using the paper. I think I have it at about 324 just to make up for that. We're gonna have heavy pressure on it. Super heavy pressure. And then just peel it hot and fast. Feels good. I'm gonna just hit it one more time for the sake of just an overkill press. I don't even know if it's required. I don't think it's required, but just something I do. Even I do it with vinyl and everything. But there you go. Just a little wrinkles, I'll get that out. I didn't have to bore y'all with that. But that super color feels real nice. It's hot as hell. But super color stock transfers. If you never tried super color, this is a perfect way. This one I think is $4. Heat Transfer Warehouse affiliate link down below. If you want to check out some super color before you invest your money, that's a good way, is to buy some of the stock transfers. They have several on the site. Man, y'all come join the squad on Facebook, man. The group is growing, man. It's a wonderful, amazing place, man. Y'all come tap in. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'll see y'all next time.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Hey, so that shirt turned out hella dope. That was my first time using a super color transfer. I love the way it turned out. I love the look of the kente cloth spread out amongst the shirt. Shout out to the Best Uni, man. She did a video as I was recording this video on tie-dye sublimation. She shows you another way to do it. So y'all go check out the Best Uni if you haven't already, man. But come join the squad on Facebook, man. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'm going to see y'all next time.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.